Candida here, and I was gifted the Wednesday Addams cosplay outfit in exchange for my honest review. My daughter loves to play with her dolls. She has a ton of different dolls, and playing dress up is one of her favorite activities. Now, this cosplay outfit comes with the headband, it comes with the dress itself, and 2 belts. Here underneath, we've got the wide belt, and then we've got the thin belt that goes right on top, and then the cute little socks for our girl. What I like about it, it was super easy to get on the doll. I didn't have to fight the doll to get it on. Right here in the back, the dress actually Velcros. And so to take it off, I can unvelcro it and just stick it right back on. The outfit does not include a doll, but the outfit fits on any 18-inch size doll, and so the little ones are able to play dress up with any of their favorite friends. My daughter definitely loves this one because she's a big Wednesday Addams fan, and this dress is taken straight from the character. It's got all the cute little designs, and I like that it has the little buttons and just the attention to detail. So I hope you found the review helpful.